So hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to change your default SIM in your Android smartphone. But before beginning the video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative videos like this. So let's begin the video without any further ado. So first of all, open settings app in your smartphone. Here you can see an option of mobile network. Click on mobile network. And here you can see calling option. Click on calling option. Here you can select the default SIM you want to select. Here you can see an option of internet option. Click on that option and here you can see select the SIM you want to keep default for internet. So that's all for today's video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.